Hi everyone. Well, we thought we'd give you a quick update on the latest synoptic chart, as well as the forecast for tomorrow's walk the Wight. Now, you can see at the moment things are actually trying to settle down. We've got this area of high pressure out here in the Atlantic, another area of weak high pressure out towards Scandinavia, and we're in this little gap in between. And the winds are quite light at the moment, and as you can see over the next few days, these areas of high pressure. I overlay the wind arrows as well, so you can see the wind direction. These areas of high pressure are trying to link up really. The winds turn into the north for a few days as we head into next week, but it's not necessarily that cold because the winds are quite light. It does turn a little bit chilly towards Wednesday and into Thursday for a short time, but then this area of high pressure starts to drift its way across us. And that's actually a really good sign because it means that the weather is likely to settle down quite significantly. So as we head in towards next weekend, we get this area of high pressure and easterly winds, and the temperatures start to rise once again. Not too high, but it will be, into the low, possibly mid-20s with some very, very pleasant weather. So let's have a quick look at the cloud now for the next 24 hours. So this is the cloud map for this morning. As we head through the day, it does look pretty cloudy. There could be the odd gap, but there's quite a lot of cloud around right throughout today and into tonight. But then as we head through into towards tomorrow, the cloud starts to break up a little bit. We start to see some brighter spells as we move through tomorrow. So what does that mean for rainfall? Well, a little showery rain is possible throughout today. You can see that here moving up from the south and southeast. Now, most of the rain does look like missing us to the east, but we could still see the odd light showery outbreak here and there. Then most of the rain clears away anyway as we head overnight, so that by tomorrow, is pretty much dry. Perhaps the outside chance of a very light shower, but the risk is very small. So let's have a quick look at the temperature for the next 24 hours. So this is today. You can see the temperature slowly rising as we head through the day. Not necessarily that high, but temperatures up to around 13 or 14, possibly up to 16 in one or two central parts of the island. But then as we head through later on this afternoon and then into tonight, the temperatures start to drop away a little bit, but not really too cold. We may see a low temperature of anywhere between 7 and 9 degrees Celsius. Then as we head into tomorrow for Walk the Wight, you can see the temperatures start to rise up quite nicely again. Not too bad throughout the day really. We're going to see temperatures anywhere between 13 and 15 degrees Celsius. But, we may see during the afternoon in central and northern parts of the island, temperatures 16, 17 degrees Celsius. So, it's not going to be too bad a day, really, with pleasant temperatures. And as well as the pleasant temperatures, the winds are also going to be reasonably light. So let's start off here. This is today. And we can see some southwesterly breezes across the island, but they're not very strong. So we're looking at anywhere between 3 and 10 miles per hour. The gusts possibly up to 12 miles per hour later, but but not too bad really. The winds are quite variable though as we head through today. You can see them flipping around all over the place there. Possibly a little bit of a sea breeze in some coastal parts. And then as we head through the night, the winds turn more west or west-northwesterly for a time. And we got these wind strengths picking up to around 15, maybe 18 miles per hour. So not too strong. And then as we head through into tomorrow morning, you can see the winds are in the northwest, and they start to pick up as we run through the day. So and they start to gradually turn more into the west as we head into the afternoon as well. So we start off the day with northwesterly winds and wind strengths up to around really possibly 10 to 15 miles per hour with 18 miles per hour gusts. And then as we head through into the afternoon, the winds start to come round into the southwest a little bit more, or west-southwest, although in more northern parts of the island still coming in from the northwest. The wind strength, especially in more coastal parts here, we're going to see 15 to 18 miles per hour once again, possibly up to 22 miles per hour gusting. So, it's not too bad throughout the whole day, really. Winds moderate, potentially up to, reaching fresh in a few spots down here. but generally quite a nice day with pleasant temperatures, especially throughout the actual central parts of the island, although it will be a little bit more breezy in more western parts and feel a little bit cooler towards the end of the walk. Anyway, that's all for now. Goodbye.